Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. I am also fine. In this class, today we learn IPA sound chart. What is alphabet? Uh, IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. I for international, P for phonetic, and A for alphabet. Hope you understand this question. What is alphabet? IPA. What IPA sound total 44, like 44 sounds. And these 44 sounds, two types, like one more 24 consonant sounds and vowel sounds, and vowel sounds total 20 number. Also, 24 consonant sound is another two types, like 16 voice consonant and number 8 voiceless consonant. Like we are called these two types. Our vocal cord is vibrate. Our vocal cord is vibrate. This sounds is voice consonant and not vibrate. This sounds is voiceless consonant. Hope you understand. Okay, number 2 vowel sound. This is 20 sounds and one more 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs, and 12 monophthongs is two type, 7 short vowel and 5 long vowel sounds. Okay, now we'll learn 24 consonant sounds, and this is 8 bit, and this class is very interesting for me and you, and I teach you and you repeat me. Okay, 24 consonant sounds, and this is we pronunciation 8 bit like turi. First of all, P. We called this is pet, bat, bat. Yeah. Time. Dime. Dime. Yeah. King. Go. King, go. Okay. Pen. This is pronunciation is upper teeth, and this is van. This is sha. See. This is ja. G. She, G. Yeah. This is cha. Chin. This is ja. Jin. Sin, Jin. Yeah. And this is sha. Shell. This is ja. Usual. This is tha. Thanks. This is da. This. Thank this. This is ya. Yes. This is wa. Waste. This is pronunciation mo. Man. This is no. None. This is ing. Ring. Man, none, ring. Yeah. This is law. Light. This is right. This is height. Light, right, height. Yeah. This is class we completed IPA sounds chart like 44 sounds, and we another completed 24 consonant sounds.